Are you Jackie? I'm gonna need you to step off the airplane and come speak with me outside.
I don't want to pay $90 for a $30 gift.
Do nothing, baby. They're taking me to jail for
A baggage fee, a boarding pass, a jet bridge, a felony arrest. Was the law applied correctly? The answer depends entirely on one unresolved fact. She said her ticket was scanned before she entered. Airline staff said it was not. Both accounts cannot be true. Everything in this case turns on that single question.
Come in, we told her to pay for the carry-on bag. She got 2 items and everything. So she
didn't want to pay.
She doesn't want to pay. That wasn't even the issue. Yeah. So she got irate, and then she was yelling and screaming and everything, and then she told this one, and then technically she went on by
That's
force.
her bag right there?
Yeah, So we told her to go back.
How did she get on the plane?
She went by force. Even
She
we
just
told her
walked
not
by.
to go. Yeah.
And now she won't go.
She didn't board.
Now she won't get off? Or you didn't ask her yet to get off?
Yeah, she needed to get off. I want her to come off.
No, but did you ask her already to come off? She said
She
no?
said no. She said she's not coming.
Okay, whose is this?
That's us. That BSO come on, Morris. Yeah, the BSO.
21A?
21 Alpha.
What color
Her
is she?
name is Jackie.
Huh?
Her name is Jackie.
Jackie?
That's her.
A mohawk?
Yeah.
What color shirt is she wearing?
Like a blue sweater or something.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pardon?
Are you Jackie? I'm gonna need you to step off the airplane and come speak with me outside. Whoever you're traveling with is, I guess, free to stay or come, whichever way.
Thank you.
Let's step up here out of the doorway here. What happened today? Tell me what's going on.
These people are so
Come up here. I just want to get with him.
That lady is so rude. I bought my gift in the shop. When I booked my ticket, like on the way in, the lady said we have a personal item. We don't need to check the bag. I bought a gift for my son. I'm going to New York. It's a little toy box. And they asked me, and I told them I bought this gift in the airport. And my husband was begging her for me to bring the gift for me. And they started following me, harassing me for a gift. I'm like, ma'am, I just bought this gift in the
Because
airport.
they said, well, because now it's 2 items instead of 1.
But it was a gift box.
3 barber 30,
So
25 without parties and everything.
I left the box for them.
She actually left the
I left the box
toy
for them
in the...
because I'm not gonna pay $90 for a $30 gift. They can have it, and I left, and she still called you to come follow me.
Okay, so you had that. You had that box.
My kid's toy.
And when she gave you a hard time because it was 2 items, you said, screw
She
it. I'm
literally
just going
harassed
to
me, stopped me from going to the door following me.
Also, just... I
So rude.
don't mean to point anything out, because I don't want to pay. But I'm holding a toy in my hand, sir. She was singled out for I don't know what reason. So,
Okay, I understand. So here's the thing. She's saying that then she told you not to get on board and you just kind of pushed her way through.
I left
got
the
on
box
board.
and came.
You actually haven't even scanned your ticket
I
and
didn't
checked
scan
in.
my ticket. That's how they know. I left the box and came to catch my flight because I don't want to miss it. I left the box because that's what she wants. If I give her what she wanted, I don't need no problem. I don't want to pay $90 for a $30 gift. If she wants the box, if it's that serious, they have the box. And I just went on by my business. She still followed through. Even though I'm not violent, I'm not causing problems, I'm not saying nothing, she still called the police.
Okay. Just go and wait here with my partner and I'll be right back. Hi.
Darlene is right there.
Okay. Do you know what we're doing? Is she
I don't know.
rebooking?
You
Is she
have to-
refunded? Is she...
We have to ask Darlene. Hold on.
They're not gonna go. My supervisor said they're not gonna go.
They're not going to go what?
They're not gonna fly.
Right, no, I knew that. Okay. The question was, are they getting refunded or rebooked?
They're gonna get rebooked, but if they don't want, they're not.
Do they
Want to travel.
Do they have check bags underneath this plane?
I have to double check. I gave operations their pin, so I have to double check. So if they don't pull back.
You didn't check any bags on the plane, right?
No.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to take your stuff and your stuff. You're going to grab the box that's over there. They're going to rebook you on another flight with a different crew, and then you'll fly home. They're not going to let you on this plane.
Why I have to be
Ma'am,
here?
I can't. I don't make that decision. It's not up to me. Spirit Airlines doesn't like the way that you acted.
My
what happened.
attitude?
No, the way you acted and what happened, whatever, they don't like it. So here's the thing. That's for you to take up with them, between you and Spirit
So they're
Airlines.
sensitive because
So
I
they're
was
saying
upset
they're
that
gonna-
I wouldn't take my
Ma'am,
box.
Ma'am, please don't argue with me. I'm trying to make this really, really simple. You're not going to get on this plane. They're going to rebook you. You'll be allowed to fly at a later time this afternoon or whatever, whenever the flight is that they put you on. That's it.
And I gotta be with her to book me. Can I find somebody else?
I'm going to stand here with you the whole
Please,
time.
because
Okay.
it's
No, she can go to guest services.
Or you could go to guest services either way, which is at Terminal 4 in the customer service at the ticket desk.
All right.
Sir, the sarcasm isn't needed.
No,
Start headed that way.
It's needed. It does. It's needed. Not at all. Here. People gotta know what
Let me just stay on while they leave and then.
Can I just book my flight here?
You got to go to Terminal 4 to the Spirit check-in ticket counter. Ma'am?
Oh yeah.
Is this yours? Is it yours?
You're gonna have to take that and dispose of it or do whatever you're gonna do with it.
It's your gift. Take it with you.
I'm gonna fly with security, not gonna allow it. I'm leaving it with them.
Okay.
Alright. So. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Actually, go.
No, you stay here. Okay. Do me a favor. Take your jacket off. Take your purse off. Turn and face the wall.
Am I being arrested?
Yes. Turn and face the wall. Place your hands behind your back. Thank you. For breaching. Breaching the gate. Your ticket wasn't scanned before you entered into the jet bridge. It's a felony offense.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
The lady scanned it. Ma'am, are you serious?
I'm being very serious.
She scanned my ticket before I left. That's how they were able to see my box.
I understand that, but they're saying that the ticket was not scanned, that you barged onto the jet bridge.
No,
That's a breach.
ma'am.
Okay?
Please.
So, the rest of your stuff, do you want the rest of your stuff to go to him? Huh? I'm asking you, your jewelry, do you want it to go to him?
Yes.
Okay,
But ma'am,
stand right there.
I'm going to jail for... Come on, man.
No, I'm being very serious. Like, it's not a joke. Oh, I gave it back to her. I have.
How long am I going?
It's in the last page that's in there.
I'm not a troublemaker. I'm not trying to...
I understand that, but unfortunately you made a bad decision today. That's all it is. It's just today.
What's going to happen to me?
You're going to go to jail. You're going to be processed and you're going to go to jail.
For how long?
I don't know until you can make bond.
Do nothing.
Go down to Terminal 3. But the next
Baby, they're taking me to jail for...
there's a little booby.
Alright.
You're taking me to jail. I
Yeah.
didn't commit a crime.
I'm going to take your purse. Your purse can go with you. The rest of that stuff you're going to leave with
You can have
him.
my purse.
You don't want your ID or your
He can take
phone?
all my stuff.
All of your stuff?
Yes,
You
you
sure?
can have my stuff.
Okay.
Everything is right here.
Write your number. Can you write his number down for me, sir?
We'll write it down. We'll get it for you.
down on the thing so I can have it.
Phone number?
I promise.
Because I have to call you.
I'll walk it down.
Why are you guys so upset with me? What did I say that make you
I'm
guys
not upset, baby.
Yeah,
My
that's-
pressure is low.
Yeah, so what happened? Because I came to get my ticket and you decided to arrest me. Why?
No, it's not a decision. You made that decision when you breached.
I did not breach. They scanned my ticket. They scanned my ticket. 2 people took my ticket from my hands. The first lady in the front and that lady. She took my ticket before.
They saying you didn't.
So how long am I going to be in jail?
I just told you until you're able to make bond.
You're 42?
Yeah.
And this is a felony charge?
Yes. Anything you do at the airport is a felony. This is a government building.
Yeah?
Yes.
So am I going to see a judge today?
Maybe. If you get to jail in enough time, you'll make bond court for the morning time.
So I was feeling jail.
More than likely, yeah.
I'm not a criminal. I never committed no crime. I'm not a criminal. I'm going to jail.
I'll be bringing my vehicle around to upper level
I don't know what to
4.
tell you.
This is sad. Like it's going to be a lot of trauma for me.
Yeah, just have them meet us up at the crosswalk.
We're going out the exit right here.
Just because somebody don't like my attitude, I get to go to jail. That's a law.
No, I just told you what happened. I just explicitly
No,
explained to you,
my
though.
attitude, so she's lying to put me in jail. Literally. He had a box in his head. It's my attitude. Because you take my kid's toy and I'm upset. I didn't say nothing to her.
Florida Statute 810.81, enacted in 2021, designates airports as specified critical infrastructure. Unauthorized willful trespass is classified as a third-degree felony. A third-degree felony in Florida carries up to 5 years imprisonment under Florida Statute 775.ID2, and a fine of up to $5,000 under 775.ID3. The arresting deputy stated the offense was a felony because, in his words, "This is a government building." That explanation is legally incorrect. The felony classification derives from Florida Statute 810.81, the Critical Infrastructure Protection Act, not from the building's governmental status. These are not the same legal basis. Under Illinois v. Gates 1983, probable cause is assessed from the totality of circumstances, including accounts from third-party witnesses, such as airline employees acting in an official capacity. Beck v. Ohio 1964. A lawful arrest requires facts sufficient for a reasonably prudent officer to believe a crime was committed, above reasonable suspicion, below proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Graham v. Connor 1989. Use of force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not assessed with the benefit of hindsight. City of Houston v. Hill 1987. The First Amendment protects verbal challenges to law enforcement, including hostile speech directed at officers. Words alone cannot independently form the basis for additional charges. Miranda v. Arizona 1966 requires rights advisements before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. Spontaneous voluntary statements made without questioning remain admissible. Authorization is a complete defense under Florida Statute 810.IE1. A valid scanned boarding pass means authorized entry. Authorized entry means no trespass. No trespass means no felony. Federal law applies independently. Under 49 CFR Section 1000, 540.105, circumventing airport access controls or entering restricted areas without authorization is a federal violation. Lesson: officers must accurately state the statutory basis for a felony charge. A misstatement does not automatically void the arrest, but it limits the arrestee's ability to understand and contest the charge against them. Lesson: verbal dissent, no matter how forceful, is constitutionally protected, unless speech rises to a credible threat or a legally defined threshold. It is not an independent ground for arrest. Lesson: the boarding pass scan is not a formality. It is the legal threshold separating authorized from unauthorized entry into a restricted area that may constitute a felony under state law. Lesson: If an arrest is made on a factual predicate later proven false, a civil rights claim becomes available under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 for deprivation of Fourth Amendment rights under color of state law. The statute is clear on what constitutes unauthorized trespass on critical infrastructure. What remains unclear is whether this entry was authorized or not. The court will have to weigh airline scanning records against the passenger's sworn account. One is documentary evidence. The other is sworn testimony. Both carry legal weight. What happens when a court confronts that contradiction? What does it mean for the charge, the arrest, and the officer who made the call? That is not a question the footage answers. That is a question only the law can resolve.